Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you are safe and sound. We have just arrived at the Expo. Actually, there are four different entries that you can come in. That is mobility, opportunity, sustainability, and then the metro entrance. We have come to mobility. We park our car and now we'll get inside through this car. Continuous bus services are there from parking to Expo like this. Keep your Al Husn app ready. They will check your PCR test and double dose vaccination, and they will scan your bag as well. PCR test results ready before arriving to the ticket. We have already bought our tickets online. I'll advise you to buy a ticket online or to buy at gas stations because there's sometimes big queues here. We have come into the Iran pavilion, which is in mobility sector. Hundreds of balls made of white clay that are hanging from the pavilion's walls. The pavilions showcase Iran's economy, social development, and culture. It highlights peaceful coexistence and showcase Iran's ancient civilization and traditions, its rituals, and its people. Enjoy the great sweet experience of weaving a Persian carpet with the help of master weaver. Taste delicious, refreshing Iranian traditional herbal teas and syrups at the Pavilion Syrup House that have various health benefits.
This one, 1700 This is 70, this is 70, this is 100.
We paid 95 dirhams for one day pass. You can get a weekly pass, monthly pass, or season pass as well, which saves you a little bit of money. Now we are entering in the France Pavilion.
Welcome to France Pavilion. Bienvenue.
This pavilion serves as a stunning showcase of French excellence and savoir-faire. Light is the architectural theme for the France Pavilion, and this underlying theme is expressed in various forms throughout the visitor's journey, offering a truly unique and unforgettable experience. When you enter the expo, it can be a little bit overwhelming and hard to know where to start. But there is an expo app which obviously show you all the different events and activities that are happening each day and can direct you to all the different country pavilions. Thailand Pavilion is another picture of Thailand. It is an art feature labeled The Miracle of Smiles, as it is going to promote a positive picture and display Thailand's perspective in digital technology for worldwide identification.
For more information about the Expo structure, feel free to use your phone, your electronic devices, scan QR code around you. The information will pop up on your screen. Ladies and gentlemen, as we do round by round presentation.
The ceiling of the pavilion is a distinguished piece of Thai architecture which is applied at the front doorway of the pavilion. It expresses the grace and charm of Thai greetings.
please park the vehicle at the yellow sign here. Welcome. Okay, please make sure that you are ready for the show.
Now we are entering into the Belgian Pavilion, which displays the country's 2050 mobility vision. It is called the Green Arch and it's been designed as a positive proclamation to today's disillusioned and climate-scared youth. It offers visitors a shaded and naturally ventilated agora. There are actually three themes of Expo 2020, that is opportunity, mobility and sustainability. And now we are heading towards Opportunity District. People mover bus come after every 3 minutes and it will drop you to your desired district. There's actually so much to see. The app is quite helpful. They have a lot of big performances on here. There is nothing on right now, but you can check the schedule and see what's on throughout the expo.
It's my pleasure to meet you.
Hello.
It's a pleasure to take a picture with someone as cute as myself.
Steeped in history and culture, the Pakistani Pavilion is divided into 8 key spaces where visitors can experience the country's best kept hidden treasure, ranging from its vibrant handicrafts to its stunning topography and lip-smacking food. Pavilion visitors enter through a door adorned with hand-beaten copper triangle under a kashi ceiling, past earthenware pottery and jewelry. A narrow passage then takes visitors on a mesmerizing journey of light and shadow through the Sheesh Mahal. Pathway of Mirrors installation to show the revival of craft of Ainakari on a huge scale. A souvenir shop with art and craft works unique to Pakistan is also a part of the pavilion.
These are the clothes worn by the people of the Kalash community.
A dark passage leads visitors to the heart of the pavilion where Pakistan's sacred spaces are celebrated. It's really appreciating all aspects of the pavilion, ranging from the colorful facade to the vibrant bazaar and also custom-made Pakistani restaurant called Dhaba that is a great crowd puller. I would say from this pavilion, people can learn more about Pakistan and its culture, unravel and discover the hidden treasure of Pakistan, which is also the theme of the Pakistan pavilion that aims is to highlight the unique or little known aspect of the country. Now we are going towards the Lebanon pavilion. It tells the story of the resilient country. Under the theme Together We Walk, the pavilion seems to celebrate an idea to create or highlight the Lebanon innovation and Lebanese innovation work by standing together. The highlight of the pavilion is the dozens of swings that urge visitors to fly above Lebanon and enjoy drone shots of the country's beautiful landscapes. Now we are heading towards the Vietnam Pavilion. The open spaces and serene ambience of the Vietnam Pavilion has been enchanting visitors. It is structured around one large stall spread out in the center of the pavilion with a number of smaller stalls surrounding it, giving the pavilion the feel of an open-air village market. The central stall exhibits a large number of handicrafts products including huge painted ceramic vases, carved wooden furnitures, and intricate shell work. Thank you. Taste dishes from every corner of the world. Choose from street food, out cuisine, family friendly meals, sustainable dining, and unique culinary journeys are just a handful of the options. Upon entering the pavilion, visitors will know Ukraine on a sensory level. A wheat field opens up where guests breathe fresh air and inhale the natural scents of Ukrainian wheat field. The exhibition field consists of real wheat and its innovative forms. On the second level of pavilion, visitors can experience the atmosphere of Ukraine's cultural heritage. The area is designed as an open space filled with a series of 26 embroideries. At the end, I will tell you some important things that don't go early in the morning from October till December because it's too hot. Better to go in evening. Keep it in your mind that you can never see all in one day. So don't rush too much to explore Expo in one day. Instead, make target to 5 to 6 pavilions in one visit and enjoy it.
Excuse me, I'm in charge of the security. Let me through. Just let me through.
See you in my next vlog. Till then, Allah Hafiz.